Okay.
Let me just open the question paper. Okay. Let me open the question paper and see.
And then my answer became 121 upon 100, and then I wrote the rate as 10%.
Okay.
Ma'am, this one is wrong, ma'am. Ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am, but I had put it wrongly. The rate per annum is 20%, and the rate per quarterly is 10%.
Question one, first part, you're saying.
Yes, ma'am. I just realized it. I understood this now. Ma'am, can you explain me, ma'am, question 5 and 4 and 5?
Question four and five. Yes, Abraham, I can do that. Okay. Now, when you are given the when difference between compound interest and simple interest is given. That time we use this formula. Difference is equals to principal into rate upon 100 raised to the power n. Okay. Now compounded yearly is there, so I will not do r by 2 and 2n. I will just take this formula as it is and solve it. Principal is how much? Oh, sorry. Difference is how much? 150. 150 is equals to P into rate is 10. 10 upon 100 raised to the power 2. Now you solve this casually like we do. 150 is equals to P into 10 upon 100 into 10 upon 100. Cancel. 1 upon 10 so it becomes 150 is equals to P into 1 upon 10 into 1 upon 10, 10 into 10, 1 upon 100.
So,
Okay.
ma'am, basically P upon 100.
P upon 100, yes. Basically P upon 100. Now we will do cross multiplication here. So it becomes P,
1,500 is equal to P.
yes. P becomes 15,000.
15,000, sorry, ma'am.
15,000. Okay.
Understood, ma'am. Ma'am, can you show the other sum so I can solve it?
Uh, the fourth question part 2.
The fourth and the fifth question one. Ma'am, can you just display them, ma'am, so I can understand them and solve them?
Okay.
Because I marked that as help. Now I've understood.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'm writing the fourth question, second part. You can solve it. Difference is 10.
Yeah, please pick up the office.
Rate is 8%. Time is 1 year. And compounded half yearly. Solve this, Abraham. Hello, Ibrahim. Got the answer?
Not yet, ma'am. I'm almost.
Okay.
Ma'am, is the answer 1,562.5?
Just check again, Ibrahim. Just
Ma'am,
check
what?
again. It's half yearly, Ibrahim. Did you divide the rate by 2? And in the time, did you do 2n? Because this is half yearly, formula will change to.
Yeah, ma'am. I did the time to n.
Okay, rate also will be r by 2.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Do it again.
Ma'am, then is P equal to 6,250.
Correct. P is now 6,250. That is the right answer. 6,250 is the right answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Now, shall I also give you the fifth question to try out? One second. Okay, the difference is 60 rupees. Okay. Rate of interest 5%. Time 2 years. Find out the principal, Abraham. In this question, find out the principal. Compounding is quarterly only. Yearly. Compounded yearly. Compounded yearly.
Ma'am, 24,000.
24,000. Okay, let's check. So the formula is difference is equals to principal. principal, difference is 60. 60 is equals to principal into 5 upon 100 raised to the power 2. Cancel 5 ones are 5 twos are 0. 60 is equals to P into 1 upon 20 into 1 upon 20. Okay. 60 is equals to P upon 400. Here. Cross multiply. P is equals to 60 into 400. P is equals to 24,000. Correct, Abraham. 24,000 is the answer. Okay. Okay, Abraham. Hope you got it. It's correct.
Yes, ma'am, I got that answer. 2,400 to 24,000.
24,000. Now, shall we start the triangle chapter? I was waiting for Joshua. Joshua hasn't joined yet.
Ma'am, can you just repeat?
I was just waiting for Joshua to join. Don't know why he hasn't joined yet.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, there was another sum, no?
What sum? There was another sum. No, that sum is different. That is, you have to find out the rates. Okay. That sum is different. You have the principal. Okay. You have interest. Okay. You have to find out rate of interest. You have time. Okay. Principal amount. Compounded quarterly.
Okay, ma'am. Can you just give me 1 minute, ma'am? I need to use the washroom.
Okay. Sure. 2 minutes break for you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Joshua will not be joining because he has a cold.
Joshua won't be coming. Joshua
Yeah.
will.
Yeah, he is not coming. He's having a cold. And we will begin with the triangle chapter that we were doing in the last class. One second. Okay, so we were talking about the properties of a triangle. Okay, and I told you how to verify, okay, verification that about the triangle, how the two sides and two angles are equal to each other. We tried that. Okay, there is also a method called paper folding method. Okay, paper folding method. But you just read that it is on page 225 and 226. Okay, now we'll try out a question. We'll try out a question. We have an isosceles triangle ABC. This is based on the property of isosceles triangle. Okay, this question is based on that. Okay, now if in an isosceles triangle ABC, AB is equals to AC in this triangle, AB is equals to AC and angle BAC is 40 degree. Angle BAC is 40 degree. Now, bisectors of angle B, the question says that bisectors of angle ABC of angle ABC and angle ACB meet at point O. Meet at O. Find. What we have to find? We have to find angle ABC. We have to find out angle OBC. Then we have to find out angle BOC. And is BO is equals to CO? If yes, why? Okay, this is what we have to find out. Now, first is we'll find out ABC. Okay, angle ABC means which angle? This angle. This is ABC. Okay, now we know that AB is equals to AC. Okay, we know that AB. I'm just putting the numbers. 1 here. AB is equals to AC. Okay, therefore, angle ABC will also be equal to angle ACB. Why? Because angles opposite to equal signs are equal. Okay, ABC equals to ACB. Now I'll find out. I know BAC means I know that this angle is 40. This angle is 40. So what I can do? I can write down angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC is equals to 180 degree. Okay. Now, since ABC and ACB are equal, I can write 2 angle ABC, 2 angle ABC plus 40 degree, BAC is 40 equals to 180. Okay, now 2 ABC is equals to 180 minus 40, 140. Angle ABC will be 140 divided by 2. How much? 70. ABC is 70. Okay. This is the same as one angle is 40. The other two are x and x. So x plus 40 is equals to 180. So x plus x becomes 2x. So 2x plus 40 is equals to 180. Then 2x is equals to 180 minus 40, 140. 2x is equals to 140. X is equals to 140 divided by 2. That is 70 degrees. Same process we are following. Okay. You can do with x also. You can take angle B and angle C as x and then also solve. Okay. Understood the first part? Write it till here and then we will do the second, third, and the fourth part.
Okay, ma'am.
Done writing?
I am done copying, ma'am. Ma'am,
Mm.
ma'am, this is very easy, ma'am.
This is very easy. Yes, this is very easy. Now, the second part says that you have to find out angle OBC. I don't want to, 1 second, clear out the whole thing. I'll just clear it, leaving the diagram. Question says, part 2 says that find OBC. Now for that, OBC is what? This angle. Inside the small triangle, angle B inside the smaller triangle is OBC. Okay. Now see, angle ABC is 70 degree. Okay. Angle
Ma'am,
AB.
ma'am, what angle? Ma'am, can I do some, ma'am?
Uh, you can tell the answer to this, Abraham. What is angle OBC?
Ma'am, this is isosceles triangle, right?
Yeah, right.
Ma'am, wait. Ma'am, I'm not able to get the answer. Can you just help me, ma'am?
Hmm. Yes. Question says that OB bisects the triangle ABC. Okay, now what is the meaning of this bisect? Bisect means divides in two parts. Divide in two equal parts. So now if OB is dividing it into two equal parts, then angle OBC will be half of ABC. Okay, OBC is half of angle ABC. We just found out that ABC is what 70 degree. So OBC will be half of 70. That is 35 degree. Okay, you can just right angle OBC is equals to 35 degree. Make a note and write down bisect means divides in two equal parts.
Okay, ma'am, now I understood this.
Now see this small b OBC is 35. So OCB is also 35. OCB is also 35. Question says that find out this angle. BOC, this angle. Okay. Can you find it out, Abraham? Find this out and tell me. Third is find out BOC.
Ma'am, 35 degrees.
Abraham, OCB is 35 degrees. You have to find out BOC. Okay.
Okay, understand.
Yeah, BOC, the top one in the small triangle, the top angle.
110.
110. Correct. One. Hello, can you hear me? Last part we will do. Fourth part. Fourth part of this question says that.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, Ibrahim, just a minute. Is BO equals to CO? If yes, why? Give reason. Can you tell me, Abraham, is BO equal to CO? If yes, then why? Why is BO equals to CO, Abraham? Think and tell me. Are you there? Abraham, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Why is BO equals to CO?
Yes, ma'am, because BOC, the triangle BOC is a isosceles this triangle. And since angle OBC is equal and OCB is equal, that means BO is equal to CO. The line segments BO is equal to CO.
Yes, that is correct. Correct. It is an isosceles triangle because OBC is equals to OCB. I'm writing. Shall I give you one more question?
Ma'am, that for this triangle is done, ma'am. I've copied it, ma'am.
Check out this question. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which angle ABC is 50 degree. You have to find out BAC, this angle.
Ma'am, 80.
80, correct. It is 80 degree because if B is 50, C is also 50. We can write 50 plus 50 plus X is equals to 180 degree. 100 plus X, 180. X is equals to 180 minus 100, 80 degree. Angle BAC, 80 degree. Let me give you some more questions on triangles. Okay, try this out, Abraham. Solve this and find out the answers. Find all angles.
Angle B is equal to 30 degrees. Angle C is equal to 30 degrees. Angle A is equal to 40 degrees.
That is incorrect, Abraham. Add them and tell me what is the sum. 30, 30 and 40. And what should be the sum of all angles of a triangle? Whenever we are having x square or any ratio, or even x like 3x, 4x, or the ratio of 3 is to 4, what we do? We form an equation like this: 4x plus 3x plus 3x equals to 180 degree. Solve it and find out x, and then you multiply x with 3 and 4 to find out the value of the angles. Okay? Solve this like that.
Oh, wait, ma'am. I'm sorry. Ma'am, angle B and C 54 degrees.
Correct. Correct. B and C 54. Find out A also.
Ma'am, 72 degrees.
72 degree. Okay. Correct, Abraham. Correct. Okay. Correct. Angle B and angle C is equals to 18 into 3. That is 54 degree. Angle A is equals to 18 into 4. That is 72 degree. Okay. So angles are 54, 54 and 72 degrees. Okay. Your homework that I'm not receiving is exercise 12.6 for today. Okay. Make sure you do it. Do till 12. Do 12.5, 12.6. All the previous ones also, and send it to me. Okay.
Repeat.
Say again. Okay, can I repeat? Yes. Please do homework. Homework is 12.6. Exercise 12.6. Please finish it and send it to me till 12.6, okay?
Okay, Mama, I understand.
Okay, Abraham. See you then. See you tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.